machiegni. Jakom riwruok mar Okinde pachoka LSK Eric Theuri onyiso jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua mondo pedhne duol mar JSC neno ewi jong'ad bura ma olieko ni nigi mibadhi ma ok loso mana e galamoro. Okang' makama biro tok jalup jatenda Kenya lando ni en gi neno moromo mar mibadhi ne jang'ad bura Esther Maina, neno mowacho ni obiro chwalo ne duol mar JSC chieng' tich ang'wen mar jumani.
In this dispensation, you still have challenges with dealing with the old culture of impunity. You remember when the president came in, one of the things which he said is that he will have a largely independent police unit, that the police would not be used to settle political scores and other institutions of government. But we have gone back there. If you remember how the mandamandos were handled, you see an attempt to encroach, seriously encroach into the independence of the judiciary. I've heard the sentiments that were made by the deputy president, and I thought to myself, I mean, if you have evidence of corruption against a particular judge, yeah, you just present it to the Judicial Service Commission. You do not need to, go and make public pronouncements. But let us wait for that and see what happens and the substance of those allegations.